Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change region in your Google Play Store in your Android. First you need to open your Play Store application, and then on the top right corner you will see your profile icon. You click on that, and then you will see payments and subscription. You choose that option, and then you go to the first one, payment methods. You scroll down and you will see more options, more payment settings. You click on that and it will redirect you, as you can see, to a browser page, and you will see the three bars on the left corner. You click on that, and here you are going to choose settings, and here in the settings, as you can see, there is option country or region. You click on that to edit, and you will see a new option, create a new profile. And this one, in order to change your region, you need to create a new payment profile. You click on create a new profile, and then you click on continue. And here, as you can see, you can change the region and choose which region that you want to use, and just follow the steps, continue, and create your new account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.